ET422 represents the latest generation of Gunt refrigeration systems. In order to obtain a highly practical orientation, the system is equipped with commonly used components of industrial application. The system is fully controlled by the touchscreen of the computer. ET422 offers several options to control the cooling capacity. The thermostat enables the control of the temperature of the cooling chamber. In order to demonstrate an ice buildup at the surface of the evaporator, the refrigerant R404A is used. The system comprises 12 mechanical faults. The effect of the fault can be observed in the software or at the gauges. To remove the ice layer of the evaporator, a hot gas bypass defroster is implemented in the system. ET422 is equipped with a comprehensive measurement data logging. The data is easily exportable into a spreadsheet software. ET422, the easy way to become an expert in refrigeration technologies.